What's up everyone, and welcome to the 7th part of the tutorial series. And in this video we are going to learn how to add color in layout and view them without switching to rendered view. And we are also going to learn how to add and edit text in Blender. If we want to add colors and view them in the viewport itself for whatever reasons, like say rendering problems. So to do this, we will have to select the part in edit mode like this. Go to the materials tab and add a new material. And change the color in viewport display after clicking on new and then clicking on assign like this. We will change the color like say green. You can assign the same material to different parts of your object by selecting those parts and clicking on assign like this. Now to add text in Blender, we will delete the cube. Press Shift plus A and click on text right here. This will add a new object called text. Now to edit the letters, say something like Blender. We will switch to edit mode and then you can see the cursor there. If we press backspace, we can erase the 3D text. Now basically this is like typing in a Word document. You can also grab the text by pressing G. And you can change the settings of the text by going into the text panel by here.